my dear students. How are you? Hope like me you are also missing our science classes. So today you all are well and safe at home and want to do something good, want to learn something good. So along with other things also, you can do some simple science experiment at home also. Last week, your class teacher must have forwarded you a small video. In that video, there was a big stone and that girl, on that stone she has kept it one vessel, and along with that vessel she has filled it with a cow dung. Everyone must have seen this video, and after time when we can lift it, we can able to lift such a heavy stone because of that. Then I told you that you had to find out a scientific principle behind it. That what is the scientific principle? So related to that principle, how many of you have tried for this? First let me to know. कितने लोगों ने ढूंढा है उसके पीछे का principle क्या होगा? Hope some of you have at least tried for this. So for that principle, I want to show you two experiment today. Out of that, one experiment, it is called it as a rice lift. Okay. So for that we require one empty bottle, then rice and a screwdriver. All these three things are available at home, है ना? सबके घर पे रहते हैं. These are the available things. After this, after watching this video, you can do it. You can try this at home. Okay. So now we will pour this rice into this bottle. So now this bottle is, I filled the rice into this bottle, and now take a screwdriver, and now first slowly we have to push the screwdriver into the rice. Then we can do it little bit vigorously, and one extent you can see that, oh my god, this whole bottle has been lifted by this small screwdriver. How come this happened? It is simply because of that rice particles, the air in between the rice particle reduces, and that rice particle they are able to hold that screwdriver. The same way it happened for the stone. Understood? This is called it as a rice lift. So everyone is going to do this activity? Pakka? Promise? Okay. Now we are going to see the second one. This you can repeat it many times, children. Okay? You can do it more time also. You can see simply, clear? There is nothing magic. There is a science behind it. Now for second experiment, we require empty glass, then a balloon. I think the 70 students hope they know the history of the balloon, of this balloon. It is the same balloon. Then a bowl in which water is there. Then a piece of paper, simple newspapers. I just fold it properly. Matchbox. And now what I am going to do, I am going to burn this paper. And this burning paper, I am going to put it in the glass. Dear students, see that every one of you will do this experiment in presence of your parents. Don't do it alone. We want the whole paper, it should burn properly. After that, take the balloon, and what we are going to do? Dip the balloon into the water, and once the paper stop burning, we are going to put this balloon on the glass. Again I am repeating, don't do this experiment alone. We have to do it with our parents. Okay, you have to take your help of your parents. Today, nowadays everyone is free. They will help you. Okay, now it has stopped burning. I am putting the balloon on it. So how many of you पक्का मुझे बोला किसने वो ये देखा है, वीडियो देखा है, in which that the because of the gobar they are able to lift this. So now here what happened? Earlier there was air in the glass. Yes. Now after that I put a burning paper in that. Because of the burning paper, what happened to the air? The air becomes hot. the volume of the air increases because of the temperature, isn't it? See, because of the temperature, before temperature and before volume. As the temperature, earlier temperature was low, the volume is also less. Now, when I put the burning paper inside, the temperature increased. So, because of that, volume also increased. Now, after some time, what will happen, my dear students? The temperature has reduced. So, what happened? As the temperature has reduced, the volume has also reduced. And can you imagine what is going to happen here? See. Oh my God. I can able to lift the glass. The glass was quite heavy. Which is because of the balloon, I can able to lift it. Is there any magic behind it? No. There is a science behind it. What happened? After some time, the temperature reduces. Because of that, the volume of the air is also reduces. And because of the volume, you can see that balloon has get protruded inside. Everyone can see? It has been sucked inside. Okay. So, as the volume has decreased, the balloon has get protruded. It has been get absorbed. It has been get goes inside, and this is how. And why we are put that balloon into the water? Here the water is working as a sealant. Here we are not applied any gum, anything over here. So it is just working, it just worked as a sealant. Hope you all enjoyed both the activities. The activity number 1 that we called it as a rice leaf, and the activity 2 which we called it as a vacuum leaf. Okay, and here this you have which is called it as a rice leaf. So I know that my students, you are going to do both the experiment at home. This is very easy to do, but for this experiment you are going to take your parents' help. After next time again I will come with you with some interesting experiments. Okay, till that, bye bye. Take care, stay at home and be safe.